Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okey, ini salah satu soalan lagi dalam set latihan UPS di mana the question asks to find sum of the first n term given the n term. Okey, dia bagi Tn, dia suruh cari Sn. Okey, based on your notes, kita ada dua formula. Okay, kat sini kita ada dua formula. The first one is Sn equals to n over 2a plus Tn. Or selalu kita guna Sn equals to n over 2a plus n minus 1d. So for this question, I'm going to use the first formula. Okay, the first formula here. So we need to find Sn, so we need to find only a. So what is a? A is equals to T1. How to find T1? Given the question, Tn equals to 5n plus 2. So we just substitute n with 1. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So our a is 7. So we just substitute into this formula. Sn equals to n over 2. What is your a? A is 7. 7 plus Tn. What is our Tn? 5n plus 2. And then simplify, we get n over 2, 9 plus 5n. And then our answer should be D. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.